Hello guys, and welcome to another daily outlook on Euro USD. This is the 7th of September 2023 and I'm doing my pre-market analysis. So currently we're on the daily charts and we can see that price has pulled down into a level of demand in the daily chart and we are having some reactions from that zone. You see this price came into this zone very impulsively and now we're having reactions from that zone. So what I'm expecting is, you may get more reactions from this zone, but if the supply is still going to hold, maybe we may come up here and then we go lower. Ultimately, my bias is bearish. I am strongly bearish on EU. Alright, so let's check out the 4 hours chart. Okay, let me just make this box visible on the 4 hour visibility. Okay. Alright, so we are on the 4 hours and let's see if we can define the zone. You can just pick this whole, this whole range here. So that's the zone on the 4 hours, and as you can see, we are reacting from inside that zone. So I'll just delete this. Now price came in, price dropped down impulsively, started to pull back and we just wicked this low. We could call it liquidity, but I will just look at it like the fractal movements within this bearish leg. So we have created a fractal high and a fractal low. Price is currently trading within this range, but my expectations are that may go higher. Because if we consider how price has been coming down, you see this small pullback, small pullback. So price has been fall impulsively, minor pullback, fall impulsively, small pullback, fall impulsively, small pullback. So we may still have a small pullback here and then price just goes down. But yeah, you can look for quick longs, maybe just into this area and then watch out for shorts to continue the higher time frame, the higher trend that we are currently have, which is bearish. So and I will leave the 4 hours chart now and I'm going to enter the 15 minutes chart. Alright, so on the 15 minutes chart, where are we? Alright, so this is our fractal high and our fractal low from the 15 minutes chart. Right. For on the 15 minutes, we can see that price actually give us a minor break of give us a break of structure right to the downside and from this high, meaning that we are expecting this high to hold, but since the 4 hours still has space to move up, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, so the 15 minutes we have this break of structure here. Not the We have this break of structure. We have this fractal, this high. It's now a strong high because it took out this low, and we have this weak low, which is currently in a pullback. And then we are expecting to see shots from there, take out this low and continue coming down. But right now we are within this 5 minutes zone, and this is actually the only zone that we have within our premium and our discount levels. So if I should just plot my premium and discount, you can see this is premium. We are currently within that range. And if we should look at all the ranges that formed within this premium zone, you can see we have this when this was mitigated here, right? Then we have this one where it was mitigated here, and we have this one which was mitigated here. So this is currently the only supply that hasn't been mitigated, and we are currently within there. So we'll be looking for entries on the 1 minute time frame. But right now we're currently bullish, so we still have some space, within this zone to go higher. So I could be looking for further highs and further longs within the zone. And if I'm looking at this recent price action, I can see a flip zone within here, even though it's fractal. You can see price is rejecting from that zone, and you can see the supply that kicked in to now break these highs. So yeah, this looks like a zone that if price should come into, I will be looking for longs, to target these highs. And let's look at how the 1 minute time frame is looking at. So yeah, if we look at these hour zones, what can we see? We can see that we can refine it to possibly that last candle. And what do we see? You see that price just wicked within inside that zone. So let me just expand this a bit more. Right. So price just wicked inside this zone and dropped. And after dropping, what do we have? We have this leg just break structure to the upside, right? We have this leg break structure to the upside. So we have this kind of range within here. We can pick this, to be on the safe side, we can pick this whole range. So what I will do, and then what do we have? We also have inducements and inducements before that leg, all this structure. Okay, you see this. What do we have here? We have double bottoms, which is what's liquidity. What do we also have here? We have structural lows, which is what liquidity. So we have good inducement before this zone. You know, if you don't want to trade this whole range, you could also look for, this last sell before the buy candle there, and you could place this your entry like this and go for a 3 pip stop. Okay, and then it targets probably the highs of this candle, or you know you could mark out premium and discount within this leg. Okay, see it falls within this zone, so you can place this here, give this your entry three. Okay, let's just leave it at 2 pips. But you can still make it smaller if you want, but I'll leave it like this. So yeah, this is what I have for Euro USD. Currently, I'll be looking for longs, until when this low fails here on the 1 minute. When this fails, then I can start looking for bearish moves to ride this trend down. Yeah, once this goes, I'm moving. Alright, guys, thank you for staying till this time. See you guys tomorrow.